I booked a deluxe room but got a small one.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Let me check your booking.
It was clearly mentioned as a sea view room.
I'll open your reservation details right away.
I spent extra money for that view.
I understand your concern and will verify it now.
This is not what I expected from your hotel.
Our goal is to provide comfort, not disappointment.
I came here after a long flight and needed rest.
I can imagine how tiring that must be.
Instead, I had to argue about the room type.
I'll make sure the situation is resolved quickly.
The air conditioning isn't working either.
I'll send maintenance to fix it immediately.
It feels like no one checked the room before I arrived.
I'll report this to housekeeping for better inspection.
My friend recommended this hotel with high hopes.
We truly appreciate that trust and want to regain it.
But this experience is ruining my vacation mood.
I'll do my best to make things right for you.
I even called earlier, but no one answered.
Our front desk must have been busy, but I'll look into it.
That's not an excuse for ignoring guests.
You're absolutely right, and I apologize sincerely.
I also noticed stains on the bedsheet.
That's unacceptable. I'll replace them immediately.
I expected cleanliness and comfort.
You deserve both, and we'll fix it right away.
The bathroom also had a leaking tap.
I'll request the plumber to handle it soon.
The noise from the hallway kept me awake.
I'll speak with the staff to ensure silence during nights.
I wanted a peaceful stay, not chaos.
I completely understand your frustration.
I even thought of checking out early.
Please don't decide that yet. Let me resolve everything first.
You should have checked the room before giving it.
You're right. That should have been done properly.
This trip was meant for relaxation, not stress.
We'll make sure the rest of your stay feels relaxing.
I hope you realize how disappointing this is.
I truly do, and I'll do everything to make it better.
Your staff seemed careless at check-in.
I'll personally speak to them about proper behavior.
They looked like they didn't care at all.
That's not acceptable. I'll remind them of our standards.
I also had to wait too long for the keys.
That delay shouldn't have happened. I'll investigate it.
I even saw other guests complaining too.
We're working on improving our service this week.
This is not my first time staying in hotels.
Then you know how things should be, and you're right to expect more.
I want value for the money I paid.
You absolutely deserve that, and I'll ensure it now.
I had plans to invite friends over too.
We'll make your room comfortable before they arrive.
The breakfast service was also late today.
I'll inform the kitchen to speed up tomorrow's service.
I missed my morning meeting because of that.
That must have been frustrating. I'm truly sorry.
I had to rush out without eating.
I can arrange complimentary breakfast tomorrow for you.
I appreciate the offer, but want real improvement.
You'll see genuine changes starting today.
This should not happen in a hotel like yours.
You're right, we aim for higher standards.
The reputation of this place will be affected.
We'll handle this properly to protect our good name.
I want to talk with your manager right now.
The manager is available. I'll call them immediately.
Please make sure they understand everything I said.
I'll brief them completely before you meet.
I want this issue handled seriously.
It will be handled with full attention.
I don't want just apologies. I want solutions.
You'll get both, and I'll make sure you're satisfied.
Your empathy means nothing without action.
You'll see quick action starting in minutes.
The least you can do is upgrade my room.
I can arrange an upgrade with a sea view immediately.
That would at least make up for part of the trouble.
I'll also add complimentary dinner for the inconvenience.
That sounds fair, but it should have been right from the start.
We'll learn from this to prevent it again.
I don't like complaining, but I had no choice.
Your feedback actually helps us improve.
I just wanted a calm stay after a long week.
We'll make sure your room feels peaceful tonight.
Please make sure it's quiet this time.
I'll inform the housekeeping and security teams.
And don't forget the air conditioner issue.
The technician is already on the way to fix it.
Good. I don't want another sleepless night.
You'll rest comfortably tonight, I promise.
I'm trusting your word now.
I appreciate that trust and I'll honor it.
I also hope my next stay will be better.
We'll make sure your next visit exceeds expectations.
I plan to write a review after I check out.
I hope it will reflect the improvements we make today.
I want to be honest about this experience.
That's fair, and honesty helps us grow.
I just wish things had gone smoothly from day one.
We'll make sure your remaining days go perfectly.
Will you confirm the room change soon?
The new room will be ready within 15 minutes.
I'll start packing my things now.
I'll have someone assist you with your luggage.
Please ensure everything is clean and functional.
The housekeeping supervisor will double check personally.
I'll check the view before I settle in.
It faces the ocean directly. You'll love it.
That's what I expected from this hotel.
We'll make sure it stays that way throughout.
Can you include late checkout too?
I'll extend your checkout time at no extra charge.
That's a kind gesture, thank you.
You deserve it after the inconvenience.
I also appreciate your patience in listening.
It's my duty to handle every concern with care.
I feel slightly better after this talk.
That's good to hear, and I'll keep helping you.
Please make sure no one else faces this trouble.
I'll discuss the situation with the entire team.
Training your staff might help a lot.
We're already planning a service improvement session.
That's a positive step for everyone.
We want every guest to leave satisfied.
Your quick response makes a big difference.
Thank you. I'm happy to fix things for you.
I'll visit the restaurant later this evening.
I'll inform them to expect you and offer special service.
That's a thoughtful touch. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. We value your comfort.
I hope the food quality matches the promise.
Our chef ensures the best meals every day.
I'll judge that myself tonight.
I'll ask them to prepare something special for you.
That would be wonderful after a rough start.
We'll turn your stay into a positive memory.
I like that attitude. Keep it up.
Thank you. Your words motivate us to do better.
I'll let my friends know about the service recovery.
That means a lot. We want you to leave happy.
I'm ready to move to the new room now.
Everything's arranged. You can proceed upstairs.
I'll check it right away.
Please let me know if anything still feels off.
I'll do that. Thank you again.
It's my pleasure, and welcome back to Comfort.